Look it. Look it.
Look at the water. Shoot to it. Run to it. Mom, rock your butt. Mom. It's for Daddy.
Trouble is for Daddy.
You can dig with me. Dig with me, Mommy. Dig with me, Mommy.
Ask Marley to dig with you. Marley, your buddy.
See, out the woods, they chew our west. I tuck you. I tuck you. I fix you. I tuck you in the bottle. I tuck you in the bottle. I tuck you in the bottle.
Here, baby, scoot over so Linda can sit on the blanket some.
Okay, I was off it, but...
Russian my money.
Airplane?
It's staying up in the sky, Mommy. Yeah! Up in the sky. Going, Mommy?
It's going to Florida.
Going.
Florida.
Bye-bye, Casey. Bye-bye, Casey. Is it good?
Devin.
I kick you.
No kicking.
I fix. I kick you.
Oh, me. You're talking to me. Okay.
I kick you.
Okay.
Okay.
The airplane is in Florida now.
Oh,
Oh,
it's in Florida.
yeah. That quick. Mama's silly, Graham.
Okay, I just sent it. It's the August parent homework, and I sent it to your Yahoo email address.
So is it for every grade? Huh.
Marley, what are you doing, kid?
Did you guys ever do your community service hours, or did you get there too late?
I got there too late, and so I noticed they added it to my my tuition though.
Oh yeah.
But they just gave me prorated tuition, so it seemed pretty fair to me. But I will this time.
What all do you think it involves? Do you think it involves like doing things with the church or the school?
Different things come up throughout the year, like it was a book sale, so you could go and help out by setting up the tables. There was a family field day at Lars Anderson Park, so they needed help with picking up and cleaning up. They did a walk-a-thon, so you could raise money or use hours.
We actually, or I visited the school on that day.